叙利亚位于西亚 ，Syria is located in West Asia， 面积约 18.5万平方公里，人口约2300万。It has an area of about 185,000 square kilometers and a population of about 23 million。首都为大马士革，官方语言为阿拉伯语。The capital is Damascus, and the official language is Arabic。2023年 GDP 约为146亿美元，人均 GDP 约640美元。The GDP in 2023 was approximately 14.6 billion US dollars, and the per capita GDP was about 640 US dollars。主要宗教为伊斯兰教，逊尼派占多数。The main religion is Islam, with Sunnis being the majority。近年受内战影响，超过1200万人流离失所，约540万人成为难民。In recent years, affected by the civil war, more than 12 million people have been displaced, and about 5.4 million have become refugees.